Hi, welcome to SingersBabel, a free educational diction resource maintained by Berkshire Choral International. This short tutorial will show you how to register for your free account with SingersBabel. Let's go! Come up here to register. Click on that. And here you will enter information to create your credentials that you'll use each time you come to the SingersBabel website. You'll create a username. You'll create a password, confirm the password. You'll tell us your first name and your last name. You'll tell us your email, and you'll confirm your email. Then you'll agree to the terms of use and privacy and continue. Let's get started. I'm going to put in my username. That's Pebbles1. My password. And confirm my password. Of course, I'm not telling you my password. My first name. And my last name. Wilma Flintstone. Now my email. And then I'm going to confirm my email. Make sure they match. And then I'm going to agree to the terms of use and privacy by clicking this box. Now we'll continue. This page is optional. You don't need to fill this out, but you can if you'd like. It asks where you live, your address. I'm going to just continue now. Okay, thank you for registering with SingersBabel.com. There is only one step missing to join SingersBabel.com. Please check your email inbox. You should find a validation email from SingersBabel.com, which contains a confirmation hyperlink, which is needed to activate your account. Please add SingersBabel at berkshirechoral.org to your safe senders list. In case the email doesn't arrive in your inbox, please check your spam folder or spam settings. So now I'm going to check my email box. Boot up my email. Here it is. Info. Welcome to SingersBabel. Hello, Wilma. Welcome to SingersBabel. Activate your account. This is the link that you need to click on in order to activate your account. If you don't click on this, you don't have an account. So this is a very important step. I'm going to activate it. It now takes me to SingersBabel. Please log in. I'm going to put in my username, Pebbles1. Whoops, I spelled that wrong. Pebbles1 and my password. And now I'm going to log in. And voila! Welcome Pebbles1. I am logged in with my user credentials. If I go down here to profile, this is my profile. This is where you'd want to change your password if that happens. If you ever want to fill out any more information, it's there to do. Don't forget to update. This is also where you would log out of the website at the end of your using period. The next video tutorial I'm going to make is on how to use the website. Thanks for watching this.